Today, we're going to continue exploring that sense of self by talking about our values. Who can tell me what values are?
Values are basically something that's really important to someone. Like my values are this thing that's really important to me.
Beautiful. I love that. Anybody else have any other interpretations or ideas as to what values are?
It could be, I think, as to showcase demand or how much it is treasured.
Yes, so something that is treasured to us.
There's probably a couple things that I don't know about you, but they're like little details. So let's see. You find creativity important?
Yes.
I would like to ask if anyone here, does anyone here not celebrate Christmas?
I celebrate Christmas.
I celebrate Christmas too.
Who values nature and the environment.
I do.
I do too.
Wait, who said they do?
All of us.
Hello, welcome back everyone. How was the first round of getting to know each other?
Me and my partner had a lot in common.
Exactly what Anusha said. Turns out we had a lot in common. It's a really nice prompts list, and I'm really glad to be getting to know more and more people.
You're going to be mapping them out into 3 big categories. The first category is personal values, and these are things that matter to you the most, whether it's honesty or loyalty or good communication. These are values that are super important to you. The second set of values that somebody can have or that can exist in this world are cultural values, and these include things like your family, your community, or things that your culture might teach you. The third one we have is global values. These are values that matter to people everywhere in the world. So they're universal, they're global, and beautiful examples we saw was when we were all in breakout rooms and we were realizing we have so much in similarity with one another.
Connection, a relation of personal intimacy as of family ties. I think that's personal.
Yeah.
Courage, mental belonging or moral strength to venture, persevere, and withstand danger, fear, or difficulty. That's also probably personal. I think health is definitely global. Compassion. I think everyone values that too.
Do you think the friendship one should be global, the quality or state of being friendly? Okay.
It could be global, but sometimes it feels like that would be.
Yeah, it could be cultural too.
How are you able to get on with dividing those values? Did you find it easy? Did you find it difficult?
I noticed that a lot of them could probably fit into multiple categories. Yeah, like there's the bravery one, which could fit into global and personal, because like some people just aren't very brave at all.
I did see kindness, and in one way kindness could be a personal journey, but it as well could be a global thing.
I see us all going ahead and marking some already. That's awesome. Beautiful. Connection. Some of us resonate with that. Hopefully that was just enough time for all of us to begin to explore what they might be, right? To start to think about what is important to me and what really shapes the person that I am. I want you all to think about one value that you discovered today and how you see it in your life.
I think for me, it would be my health or being connected to my body and spirit.